Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Acoustic Audio PSW-12, a 500 watt, 12-inch, downfiring powered subwoofer in black. It has well over 1,400 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And if you're looking for something similar but with slightly different specs and sizes, Acoustic Audio also makes a 6.5-inch speaker, an 8-inch sub, a 10-inch sub, the 12 is shown here, and a 15-inch sub for big bass. So check those out as well. This sub is great for home theater and has standard RCA inputs which easily connect to your home theater receiver's dedicated subwoofer output. And you can save power with the added signal sensing auto on-off feature. It's got 500 watts of peak power, a frequency response of 24 to 250 Hz, and a 12-inch downfiring woofer. Let me share with you a fantastic review via a verified purchaser. It's an amazing, high-quality, well-built, heavy-duty home subwoofer. Acoustic Audio also has subs from 8-inch, 10-inch, and goes up to 15-inch. Its ability to carry low-frequency sound whether you're listening to music or watching a movie is really an experience. It does have great punch when needed, and the mixture of sound is really amazing. Immersive sound? Yeah, that's what it is. Live the experience. It's got everything a subwoofer should have, and has a very nice wood finish. I totally recommend this Acoustic Audio PSW sub. From the simple listener to the advanced audiophile, I'm telling you, you'll be amazed. Awesome. So add a little bass to your living space and check out this Acoustic Audio 12-inch subwoofer. It's available on Amazon Prime, so that means free shipping and free delivery. So order it today, you're gonna love it.